Hey there, developers and architects. Coming in hot with the security content you've been asking for. Real talk, if you're building apps in 2025, you need these tips in your life. We're not just talking regular security here, we're about to transform your architecture into something special. Buckle up, fam, because this video is gonna be insane. Every day, we're seeing headlines about massive data breaches and cyber attacks. The scary part? Many of these could have been prevented with proper architectural decisions. In 2024 alone, companies lost billions due to security oversights. Alright friends, let's dive into something crucial, and I mean absolutely essential for your app's security. Listen up, because what I'm about to share is literally make or break for your application's security. We're talking about building your foundation, and trust me, if you mess this up, everything else is just a band-aid fix. Now, check this out, we've got 3 game-changing principles that are gonna transform how you build. I'm talking about principles that big tech companies pay consultants thousands to implement, but I'm giving them to you right now. First up, least privilege. This isn't just some fancy term, this is what separates the pros from the newbies. Imagine giving your intern the keys to your production database. Yeah, that's a big no. We're gonna lock this down tight. Next principle, fail-safe defaults. This is absolutely insane how many developers get this wrong. But after this video, you're gonna be the one teaching others. And finally, modularity. This is the secret sauce, fam. The thing that makes your code not just secure, but maintainable. Think of it like setting up your fortress. Every brick counts, and every gate needs a lock. Want a checklist for secure design? Stay tuned for the resources at the end. Secure data at every level. Data is the lifeblood of your application, protect it like it's gold. Encrypt sensitive data both in transit and at rest. Use strong encryption algorithms like AES-256 for storage and TLS 1.3 for communication. And remember, if it doesn't need to be stored, don't store it. Pro tips: mask sensitive data in logs to avoid accidental exposure. Logs are treasure maps for hackers. Regularly update dependencies. Outdated libraries and dependencies are like unlocked doors for hackers. Regularly audit your third-party libraries and use tools like Dependabot or SNYK to automate updates. Hackers love old, unpatched vulnerabilities. Don't just trust, verify. Always check the reputation of third-party packages before integrating them. Implement multi-layered security. One shield isn't enough. Secure your system with layers. Combine firewalls, intrusion detection systems, authentication protocols, and network segmentation. This is called the defense in-depth strategy. Pro tip: never rely on a single point of failure, even your strongest wall can fall. Secure authentication and authorization. Who's accessing your system? Make sure they're who they say they are. Use multi-factor authentication and tools like OAuth 2.0 to manage secure authorization. And always follow the principle of least privilege to minimize access risks. Pro tip: rotate API keys and credentials regularly to avoid potential leaks. Monitor and respond. You can't fix what you don't see. Implement real-time monitoring and logging to catch threats early. Use tools like Splunk, ELK-Stack, or Azure Sentinel to stay ahead. Pro tip: automate responses for known threats using SOAR tools to save time and reduce damage. Conduct regular penetration testing. Think like a hacker to beat one. Regular penetration testing reveals vulnerabilities you might miss. Tools like Metasploit or hiring a professional pen tester can help you simulate attacks and fortify your defenses. Software security isn't a destination, it's a journey. By following these tips, you'll create an architecture that's not just functional but fortified against the challenges of tomorrow. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip or share your own security practices. Let's build a safer digital world together.